Hey guys, Rapid Stout 12 here, and today I'm going to show you my GE 15 watt dimmable helical CFL light bulb. So I got this bulb back in August from a thrift store in Inverness, Florida. Well, anyway, up here we have a helical style tube, and down here we have a very large ballast. And down here we have a solderless base, but unfortunately it's not brass. And it also has a plastic insulator. You can see a little bit of blackening, but not too bad. Let's read our X. GE, Dimmable 15 watt, 120 volt, blah blah blah. Soft white, so warm white, 2700K. UL, made in China, Mercury, another language. Yeah, pretty typical information. Well, that was quick, but I would like to compare it to some other GE CFL offerings because, as you can tell, it's a very large CFL. So keep in mind, this is 15 watts. This is 13 watt. It's as tall as a 15 watt dimmable CFL bulb. But you can tell the ballast is much bigger. The tube is much bigger. Everything's much bigger. And then here's a 26 watt offering, so 11 more watts than this. And you can tell it's only slightly taller. In fact, this thing has a bigger ballast than this 26 watt version. So, very interesting size comparison there. So, you can tell how much added size the dimmable technology had. So, anyway, we'll bring over our socket and of course our dimmer here. And before we move on, I'll show you that this is a CFL compatible dimmer. So we are using the correct dimmer. I noticed that a lot of people who, test dimmable CFLs use incandescent dimmers, which you're not supposed to use with a dimmable CFL. But I have a CFL dimmer, and you will see still how bad the dimming is, but I'm sure it's a lot better than with an incandescent dimmer. But anyway, we are going to screw in this dimmable CFL bulb. Forgot to mention I got it for $2. Well, there it is. So I'll be right back after turning off all the lights. Alright, I'm back, and you know what time it is. It's time to turn on the bulb. So we'll do it in 3, 2, 1. It's kind of like a resonant start, or possibly like a delayed instant start. I'm not sure what to call it. Now, as you can tell, it needs some time to warm up, so I'll speed up the video while that happens. Alright, it's been warming up for about a minute now, And I'd say it's pretty close, if not at full brightness. And as you can tell, it's very bright. Definitely equivalent to a 60-watt incandescent bulb. So, we'll bring it up here, where we have some more things to look at. We'll start by looking at CRI. I'd say it's a pretty typical 800 series phosphor, you know, like 82 CRI or whatever. I think like the T8 fluorescents are like 85, and then like the PL bulbs and the CFLs are like 80 or 82. I don't know the specifics, but anyway, here it is, placed about 3 feet above everything, placed socket or base up. And it lights it very well. Here is that same orientation, except base down. And you can tell everything is a lot dimmer than base up, because we have the big old ballast to block all the light. But anyway, yep, good CRI. So now, the most exciting part, dimming it. I'm not sure how many people have ever seen a dimmed CFL before. So we're gonna dim it in 3, 2, 1. And that did not get much dimmer at all, did it? Well, that's basically how dimmable CFLs work. Now, it is dimmer, I'll give it that, but an incandescent bulb would certainly get a lot dimmer than this. So, you kind of take away some of that dimming functionality with this. I'd say a dimmable LED bulb is probably better than this, but still not nearly as good as an incandescent bulb. A dimmable LED bulb is maybe like slightly better than this. At least on this dimmer. I wonder if any other dimmers are better than this one, but anyway, yeah. We'll bring it up to 50% now. Not really that much of a difference, is it? That's basically full brightness, to be honest. Yeah, and then there's full brightness. Well, anyway, we'll turn off the bulb and bring the camera back down. Well, that was a fun dimmable CFL adventure, but now I'm going to turn the lights back on. Alright, well, I'm back, and here is one last look at this dimmable CFL bulb. Very nice. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time.